In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload a Word document to Google Drive. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their documents in the cloud, providing you with ease of access and the peace of mind of having your files backed up. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can easily find it at drive.google.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to access all the features Drive has to offer. Now, once you're on the main Google Drive page, you'll notice various folders and files if you've already been using Drive. But don't worry if yours is currently empty, that's perfectly fine. Our focus today is on uploading a file. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to see a button labeled New with a colorful plus sign beside it. Go ahead and click that button. What's happening here is that Drive is giving you a set of options on what you'd like to create or upload. Since we want to upload a document, you'll need to select File Upload. Clicking File Upload will open a file browser window which shows your computer's directory. Take a moment here to locate the Word document you wish to upload. If you're unsure where it's stored, remember to check the folders you commonly use for saving documents, such as your Documents folder, Downloads, or perhaps a desktop file. Browse through until you find your file, and once you've located it, click on it to highlight it. Now notice in the File Browser window, there should be a button labeled Open on the lower right side. Click this button, and this action starts the upload process. You'll know the upload is in progress by a small icon or prompt at the bottom right corner of your browser window showing the file name and a progress indicator. The time it takes to upload will depend on the file size and the speed of your internet connection. Once the upload completes, you will find your Word document securely stored in your Google Drive. And just like that, you've uploaded a Word document to Google Drive. You've now not only backed up your file, but it's also ready to share or edit from virtually anywhere you have internet access. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to keep your files safe and accessible. Feel free to explore other functionalities like folder creation and sharing options that Google Drive offers to enhance your productivity even further. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.